Hey guys, this is Mr. H again. I am going to do the problem on page number 11 from the quadratic formula packet. And the reason that I chose this one is I want you guys to understand that whenever you see the word exact, they're telling you that you cannot, they don't want decimals. They're telling you that there's going to be decimals, but they don't want decimals. They want you to leave the quadratic formula as a fraction. Now, let me show you exactly what I mean. All right, so we have this quadratic equation, 6x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. They want us to solve algebraically for it. So what I'm going to do is use the quadratic formula. So down here, I'm going to write the equation 6x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0. And then the a term is 6. The b term is 5. The c term is a negative 6. And I'm going to take the formula, and where you see the letter, I'm going to plug in the number. So this one is going to be 5. This is also going to be 5. This is going to be, the a term is 6. The c term is a negative 6. And then the a term down here is 6. So now, if I go to the calculator and I try to do this in the calculator, I'm going to get a decimal. And they don't want a decimal. They want you to leave it as a fraction. So let me go and show you what I mean. So I'm going to go here, grab the calculator. This was from a previous problem. I'm just going to change the A, B, and C. So the A term in this question is 6. So I'm going to put in 6 there. The B term is 5, so I'm going to store 5 into B. And then the C term is a negative 6, so I'm going to store a negative 6 into C, press enter. Now that I've got all of these numbers stored, I can just go up and copy the quadratic formula, and then I'm going to press enter. Oh, and it gives me a fraction. So this is perfect. This one is remember, it's not supposed to, it doesn't want any decimals. And this isn't a decimal, this is a fraction. This is one of the greatest things about this calculator, that if it's able to be written as a fraction, when I use this, it's going to write it as a fraction. So one of my zeros, or my solutions, is going to be 2/3. Now let's go find the other one. So I'm going to go, let's go back to the calculator. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to change the plus to a minus, and that's going to give me my other root. And it tells me that my second root is a -3/2. So my second root is going to be a -3/2. Let me write that. So it's a -3/2. So that's the answers. And they are exact. Fractions are exact. They don't want decimals. We don't have decimals. So we're good to go on this one. So this was fairly easy. I'm going to do another question where so that what this basically means is that all of the roots are rational. And that's why we can do this. But if the roots are irrational, we're not going to be able to get, we're going to have to do something a little different. So I'm going to show you that as well. All right, let me stop this and then post it.